Drones have completely transformed the way we capture the world from above. Whether you're a content creator, an adventure seeker, or a photography enthusiast, these cutting-edge flying machines give you the freedom to explore, film, and create like never before. Get ready, because in this video, we're putting 3 top drones to the test to see which one truly stands out. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is ideal for capturing stunning aerial shots. Under 249 grams, it needs no registration, perfect for travelers, creators, and beginners. This drone delivers next-level image quality. With a 48-megapixel sensor camera and a 4K 60 FPS HDR, it captures sharp, vibrant, and high-resolution footage. With its slow-motion mode, you can capture ultra-smooth, dramatic shots. Whether it's sunrise, sunset, or night shots, every scene is rich in detail and color. Flying the DJI Mini 4 Pro is safer and easier than ever thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensor. Its advanced technology allows it to detect and avoid obstacles from all directions, giving you the confidence to fly in tight spaces, near trees, or around buildings without worrying about crashes. If flight time is a concern, this drone has you covered. With a 34-minute battery life, you can capture more shots without interruptions. And for those who love long-range exploration, its 20 kilometers real-time video transmission ensures a stable and crystal-clear connection. Want cinematic shots with zero effort? The Active Track 360 Degrees feature lets you track moving subjects smoothly and professionally. Just select your target, and the drone does the rest, following seamlessly to create breathtaking footage. For an even more immersive experience, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is compatible with FPV goggles and the RC motion controller, allowing you to see from the drone's perspective and control it with simple wrist movements, offering a whole new level of flying excitement. If you're looking for a lightweight yet powerful drone with professional features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate choice. Perfect for beginners, yet packed with high-end tools for serious creators. If you're looking for a lightweight, powerful, and easy-to-use drone, the Potensic ATOM is an incredible choice. Weighing less than 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, so you can fly it freely anywhere. This drone features a 4K camera with a SESO-NY sensor and a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring super stable videos and sharp photos, even in strong wind conditions. It includes quick shots and visual tracking, letting you capture cinematic shots with one tap. With PixSync 3.0 technology, the Potensic ATOM delivers a stable transmission up to 6 kilometers, allowing you to explore and control your drone with confidence. And with 3 included intelligent batteries, you can enjoy up to 96 minutes of flight time. The automatic return mode and advanced GPS ensure you never lose your drone. Plus, its beginner mode makes it perfect for first-time pilots, guaranteeing a stable and safe flying experience. Can you imagine capturing stunning aerial views in 4K quality? With the Bwine F7 GPS drone, it's totally possible. This drone comes with a detachable 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal, meaning super stable videos and amazing photos, even at night. Plus, its 5x digital zoom lets you get closer to details without losing quality. One of its best features is battery life. With 3 included batteries, you get up to 75 minutes of flight time. And with 2-mile range and level 6 wind resistance, this drone is perfect for any adventure, even at high altitudes. New to flying drones? No problem. The smart GPS system ensures the drone automatically returns if the battery is low or if it loses signal. Plus, it features Follow Me, Fly Around, and a beginner mode, making it easy for anyone to fly. It's also FAA certified, so you can fly it without restrictions. So which one is your top pick? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more epic tech breakdowns. Want to check out these drones for yourself? Links are in the description.